Isn't she so cute? Isn't the baby so cute? She's always pulling my hair though. So are you guys looking for the most affordable jewelry that you get so much for your money? I mean, and you like gold, then you're gonna have to check this line that I found out on Amazon. Yes, another Amazon findings. The jewelry is extravagant and it's so edgy. I just love it. So let me just show you guys real fast all these wonderful pieces of earrings. If you're a gold lover, if you love hoops or studs, I'll tell you exactly where you go, and I'm going to review it and show you the quality of the gold plating, right? Yes, this video is sponsored by them, but the quality is all out. Look at that, you guys. These hoops are fantastic. Look how many pairs I'm getting on this one little stand. So I always put my earrings in the same hole. I never take my original earrings out because I always feel like my hole's gonna, you know, close up or something. These are light. And they're not, I mean, I don't have allergies or anything, but they're not burning my ears, so I'm liking that. Here's the hole. Oh, those are cute. Those are fly, you guys. It's a great size. Look at that, those hearts and the butterflies. Cute. So cute. I love doing try-on hauls. This is my first earring try-on haul, and so far so good, you guys. My ear is not irritated. That just tells me it's just really great quality gold plating that they use. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Very cute. So if you're an earring lover or a jewelry lover like I am, which one do you like? Which one do you like the most? I love the double. I should do a third. Oh wow, that's It's so pretty. This gold just brings out your complexion. It's like so pretty. So many to try from. I know you guys enjoyed the video. If you watched it this far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys again. You know I love doing Amazon findings.